Hello, everyone. Well, we're going to be dry during the day today, but there is a good chance of rain tonight. It's just probably not going to stick around very long because it's going to be right along a cold front that's going to be working over us. So we do have a temperature change to talk about as well. Let's get started with 8 a.m. this morning. A pretty warm start today, especially for this time of year. Check out our 8 a.m. temperatures. Maybe a couple spots in the mid-50s, but most of us upper 50s to maybe even the low 60s. And so if we're starting this warm, with the front not arriving until tonight, that it's going to be warm this afternoon, easily making it into the low 80s, and I expect a few spots to top out in the mid 80s when it's all said and done. Also, going to be windy this afternoon, gusts picking up to around 30 miles per hour, so a warm, windy day. So when is the rain chance going to begin? I think the earliest we could start to see a couple showers or storms is 9 o'clock this evening. So yeah, pretty late, even 7, 8 o'clock looking completely dry. And notice, even at 9 o'clock, more likely that we're going to be dry than seeing rain. This is going to be right ahead of the front. We could see a couple showers and storms develop, but I really think the good chance of rain is going to be right along this front. And so the front right now looks to be pushing into the area right around 11 o'clock. So this is when the rain chance will be picking up. And so we're talking about a period along this front with scattered showers and, yes, some thunderstorms. I do expect some heavy rain and lightning spots. Not everyone is going to get a thunderstorm late this evening through the overnight hours, but there will be some storms and spots. So activity beginning to pick up around 11 o'clock, particularly in the northwestern part of the area. Right now, it looks like that front will be right over us about 1 a.m. or so. So this is, in general, our best chance of rain, 1 a.m. And notice how it's mostly green, so mostly showers with some storms in spots. By the time we get to 3 a.m. tonight, we are past the peak. A lot of places already drying out. And then by 5 a.m., that is it for the rain. The cold front clear of us, and so the rain chance going away. So no worries about any rain for the morning commute tomorrow. So let's talk about high temperatures for tomorrow. As you can probably guess, it is going to be cooler tomorrow. Instead of the low to mid 80s, most of us in the low 70s, mid 70s, maybe in the northwestern part of the area, places like York and Columbus, only topping out in the upper 60s. Mostly sunny skies, but the big story tomorrow is the wind. I mean, I already mentioned that today's going to be windy, but really nothing compared to what's coming tomorrow afternoon. It's already going to start breezy in the morning, but in the afternoon, I expect wind gusts around 45 miles per hour. It's one of the windier days we've had in quite some time. And with gusts getting to that 40, 45 mile per hour range, that's the kind of wind that gets a little bit disruptive. And lightweight objects in your yard can be blown around. So this is your heads up before tomorrow afternoon. Make sure those lightweight objects in your yard, perhaps some Halloween decorations that you've already set up, make sure those are secure, they're tied down, or bring them inside.